Alright, so I'm gonna head to Home Depot, try to find a bolt for this thing here, and probably pick up some paint for the plastics here. This is gonna be my first ride, you know, sort of going in the city. I can never tell if I'm an eco or sport. I think I'm an eco. Picks up quick. I can finally see how fast I'm going because this thing's in kilometers. I'll leave it in third gear for a little while, see what happens. Have to remember the foot brake. Just gonna take it easy in the bike lane, I think. I mean, second gear goes 30. Sport mode. I wonder where it tops out. Right around 45, second gear is where it tops out. It's pretty cool. Wow, it just slid like crazy right there. Did you guys see that? Handled it pretty good though. Yeah, I thought he was going to pull out in front of me. If he would have pulled in front of me, I don't think I would have been able to stop in time. Yeah, these knobbies, they don't grip very well. Like, what the hell is this guy doing? I don't like how close people are getting to me. Yeah, these brakes are really powerful. What are people doing today? Oh, okay, that guy was rushing straight. Yeah, I definitely need to change these tires because these knobbies aren't good for this street riding. There's not enough grip on the asphalt for braking. I mean, besides that, it feels really good. It's weird because second gear feels pretty good for city riding. Just like kind of stop and go up to like 30 miles an hour. I'll go 45 in second gear. I'm not even going to shift that a second. The brakes have a lot of bite. This thing takes bumps really well too. I think because I have, you know, the 20-inch wheel, and I think the shocks are a little better on this than they are on the Surron. Alright, well I made it over here without getting pulled over or anything. I wonder if I can just park. Alright, so I got some paint for the plastics and a screw for this little bolt for this clutch here. I didn't bother locking the bike up because I don't know, it just doesn't feel like it's not like a Surron. Someone can just pick it up, throw it in the back of their car. It's like 212 pounds, 213 pounds, something like that. One thing I'm noticing is it'll go in gear, but it won't show it on there. You have to like click it again. There's like, to click it hard for the sensor, I guess, to know it. You switch gears, I'm not sure. Let's see if I can get home without eating shit. Because these tires are not good for road riding. definitely need to change these tires, and kind of want to take these stupid graphics off ASAP because I don't like drawing any attention to myself. So if I keep it around 30, you know, don't go too fast in little city areas like this. Stay to the right, and the bike doesn't look too flashy. I think I should be all right. I haven't seen any cops yet though. And then on the big roads, I'll just take the bike lane. Gotta be careful to slow down and brake early. These knobbies don't have good traction. So I'm at 3.6 miles and 91%. Started off at 100. So I mean that's right along with what I was thinking. It'd get like a 30 miles in sport mode. You know, which is plenty. I don't think I've ever ridden 30 miles in a single day on anything electric bike. You know, I almost want to see a cop because I want to see how much attention I get. Yeah, I'm not going to ride too fast. Just keep it slow. Maybe around 30 miles an hour. What's cool about this bike too is, like, you know, a lot of people have seen surrons now. They know what they are, but nobody knows what the fuck this bike is. There's only probably a few people in the country that have this. I think I've only seen one other person in the States that has it. On YouTube at least. I'm sure there's other people that don't make, you know, YouTube videos, but as far as YouTube, it's just, no, actually there's two other people. There's one guy in New Jersey. He had the timemoto, but the same bike. And then there's another guy who pimped out his bike. I showed a video in my first ride video. He pimped his out with like Brembo brakes and custom paint job, pink and stuff like that. Had the frame powder coated, all that. Yeah, so there's two other YouTubers. Really not going to start gunning it or anything until I get my other tires on. I ordered new bars because I just don't think I'm going to be able to get the height with I ordered a riser, 30mm riser, and I ordered some new bars. So when I get them, they'll probably be up here, and it'll make standing up much more comfortable. And I also ordered a rear fender bag, where you drill holes in the rear fender and you can attach the bag, so you know I can carry shit. I'm hoping my charger will fit in there if I need to take that with me. I mean, if it doesn't, it's fine. I can just carry it in my backpack or whatever. But the cool thing about this bike too, it has a 15 amp charger, and it will charge literally like 0 to 100 like in 2 hours. So well, that was my first city ride trip. That's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.